Hello guys, this is the remote I will be trying to remove and see what's inside. So let's do it. So in the first place you can see the case here, then comes the touchpad or the keypad as you call, and then comes the board. As you can see, there are some golden places in the motherboard, and these are where the keypads will touch when you press a button like this, which if you press this button, then it comes here and it will give the connection and send signals accordingly to this IR LED, which will connect to the receiver. Now we will see the other side of the motherboard. So this is the other side of the motherboard, and as you can see, there's a circle here, which is where you place the battery, and it will be here on the board on the case of the board. So then comes this yellow box, which is probably the regulator to regulate the voltage, I think. And here comes the IR LED, which is used to transmit messages, which we press using this keypad to the receiver, and the receiver will decode the coded message. So this is the heart of the motherboard where the IC is placed, and it's under this black dot. There are two reasons why the black dot is used over the IC. The black dot is actually an epoxy coating, and the first reason for doing so is to protect the IC from thermal heat or from any damage. The second reason for doing so is to hide the IC's name from others, so that it cannot be duplicated. So I was curious to find the IC inside this black epoxy coating, and I used a blade for my help. So I used a blade to remove this black thing from the board, and as you can see that there is this shiny thing in the middle, it is a part of the IC, and under the this coating you can see this shiny thing, which is the IC itself. So here it is. You can see that all the connections are the imprints of the connection are seen. So you might have seen the black coating on various other boards, like the motherboard of your PC, or if you have opened the calculator, you can see that there is this thing. I have one advice, that if you remove this thing, you will be only able to see this part of this IC, and you will not be able to see the name of the manufacturer of this IC. So this remote is not going to work again, obviously. And thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, press the like button. If you dislike this video, press the dislike button. Also subscribe if you like. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. So I will see you in my next video. Till then, have a good time.